Hey there, I'm Mrs. C, and welcome back to Math Defined. Today we're writing inequalities. First, what's an inequality? An inequality is a mathematical statement that compares two values using symbols like h is less than 10 or h is greater than -7. Sometimes a value is not just less than or greater than, but it can also be equal to that value. For example, h is less than or equal to 10, or h is greater than or equal to -7. These symbols help us understand and describe how one value relates to another in a clear and precise way. Let's practice. A number h plus 4 is less than -5.6. You might be wondering, where do I start? Start by identifying the key phrases. The phrase, a number h plus 4, translates into the expression h plus 4. The next phrase, is less than -5.6, is represented by the less than inequality symbol, and we bring down the -5.6. So the entire phrase can be written as h plus 4 is less than -5.6. Simple, right? Let's try another one. A number w is at least 19. Let's identify the key phrases first. A number w translates into w. The next phrase, is at least 19, can be tricky. It's just another way of saying w can be 19 or anything greater. For that, we use the greater than or equal to symbol. So the entire phrase translates to w is greater than or equal to 19. Let's keep going. A number n minus 5 is greater than 3.5. Let's find the key phrases and translate them. A number n minus 5 is greater than 3.5. Putting it all together is n minus 5 is greater than 3.5. That was pretty easy. Let's try this one. Twice a number x is no less than -8. The key phrases are twice a number x, which translates to 2 times x, and is no less than -8. No less than is another way of saying greater than or equal to -8. We can simplify this to 2x is greater than or equal to -8. Keep that comparison symbol in mind as we move on. Are you ready to try a few on your own? Pause the video if you need more time, and then check back to see how you did. The phrase, a number y plus 4.2 translates to y plus 4.2. The phrase, is less than or equal to 16, is pretty straightforward. We will use the less than or equal to inequality symbol. Putting it all together, we have y plus 4.2 is less than or equal to 16. See how the wording shapes the inequality? This time we start with the fraction 1/2. 1/2 a number g is no more than 24. The phrase 1/2 a number g translates to 1/2 times g. Is no more than is another way of saying less than or equal to 24. Putting it all together, we get 1/2 g is less than or equal to 24. The placement of the symbol matters. Let's try another one. This time we start with a whole number. 15 is greater than or equal to 5 times a number k. Both of these phrases are pretty straightforward, and putting it all together, we get 15 is greater than or equal to 5k. Be careful with this one. 20 is fewer than x divided by 2. The phrase fewer than is another way of saying less than. Putting it all together, we have 20 is less than x over 2. Keep it up, we're almost done. Next up, 11 is more than a number d. More than is pretty straightforward. It's the greater than symbol. So the inequality becomes 11 is greater than d. One more. A number m added to 7.4 is at most 42. At most is another way of saying less than or equal to. Putting it all together, we have m plus 7.4 is less than or equal to 42. Now that you've practiced identifying key phrases to write inequalities, you can use this chart to make writing them even easier. Just look for the key phrases in the problems and match it up to the inequality symbol. This chart can be your go-to tool for writing inequalities. And let's take it a step further and learn how to solve them. Check out my next video where we'll solve and graph inequalities using addition and subtraction step by step. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out. And until next time, keep math awesome.